Yes, dear.
Where do explainer videos come from?
Oh, hi! My name is Benny, and I am 4 years old. And today, I'm going to show you how to make explainer videos. Here I go! Wah! Every explainer video starts with an idea. That idea becomes the script. The script says everything that happens in the video. Explainer videos usually have 3 acts. The old story, the turn, and the new story. I'm going to start writing my script right now. We see a baby in a stroller. Boy, this is good. Okay, next I make some drawings of my characters and my backgrounds and stuff. Oh yeah, it's really coming together. Once I have my characters made, I need to record the voiceover with this microphone here. And yeah, here we go. This is how people will hear the story. This is Baby, and once the voiceover is done, the real magic happens. That's why I take all my drawings and I put them in the computer. And that's where I start animation. We go down to the lab now. I'll be right back. All my animation done, now I'm bringing some music in. Presto! It's time to unveil our masterpiece to the world. This is Baby, and the baby is crying a lot because he wants some juice, but he can't walk yet. What if there was some way that he could get juice without walking? Introducing Grandma! Grandma is your trusted source for getting juice, and then Baby will stop crying and fall right asleep. Call Grandma today! Yeah! And that's it! Wasn't that fun?
Yay!
Well, thank you for teaching us that, Benny. Do you know where we can get an explainer video made?
Oh yeah, sure! You just go to www.nickvaca.com. That guy sure knows his stuff. Okay, bye!
Hey, quick. Special thanks to our boom operator.
Hello. Joshy.